NASA astronauts need your help. Save the world. With the all-new Roblox NASA Space Shuttle STS-26 Lego Set. Reset your character. Get kicked from playing. Rip off each other's hair. Receive death threats.
Also, if anyone jumps off the thing, I'm striking you down and suspending you.
Eat the pizza. Break the laws of physics. Go AFK. Make Melon mad. Do donuts. Fling your friends. Land the shuttle. Climb the staircase of claustrophobia. Spy on your coworker. And finally destroy the shuttle. All in the new STS-26 Lego Set, only for $49,999, $999.95 USD of A.